Well, here we go again. January 27th, 2011. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Alright. I have icicles for sale if you'd like one. I wonder what's going on here. Oh, that looks good. That's what happens when you only get half a gutter put on your house and make a seam. If the guy next door would have told me he wanted to put gutters on, I would have got a full one piece, but that's too easy. My oven vent. Alright. Go take a look. I don't know. Let's see if we can measure something. Go out here. Yardstick. I'm going to clean that off. There we go. That's 12 there. That's 12 on my 12 and a half. 12 and a half there. I don't know what you're talking about. 19 in Clifton. I think the guys are dreaming. That's 13. I think they're full of beans. All I know is I'm sunk into, forget about it. Alright. God. Just to get out there from all the snow. Alright. Trees look nice. How do you like this weather, Rachel? You'll be on YouTube later. Everybody could see you. So tell all your friends.
I just love snow. This doesn't make me want to be somewhere tropical just right this second.
Yeah. The trees look nice. Like your big Christmas tree back there. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I saw one lane open like on Route 80 by Two Bridges Road out west, going west. Forget it. Go see how my car's buried. This time I think they plowed your side more than mine. But see, they didn't. It's alright. They'll be back. Maybe not. They laid off so many guys that there's nobody left. Think that guy will ever get his van out? It's been in there forever, hasn't moved all winter. I know. You got to go to work today?
No.
Oh.
I called him up and I was just like, do you really need to come in? My job is a personal banker. I open up accounts. Do you really think people are going to come into work to come into the bank to open up accounts on a day like today?
Well.
If I was a bank teller, I could understand that. People might come in to get money, but that's not my job, so.
Uh-huh. All right. Well. Well, that's it. Storm number 7 is in the record books. Time to dig out.